in North Carolina, no longer in Arizona. Whoop whoop! And we are going to a place called Vollmer Farms, which is right now a pumpkin patch slash a really cool place. So we want you to join us on our day. See you when we get there. You guys, we're here. We're here.
My mama.
And we're excited.
Hatcher. My mama. Hatcher.
You ready?
Hatcher.
We made it. It's kind of raining out, so we're just adding to our adventure. But we're ready to go this way. Let's see what's over here. Gathering, oop, can't zoom in, I guess. The boys are gathering back there, all the balls. And then, sorry, I have a jacket on me. We're gonna do that. It's gonna be fun.
Oh! Hey! Okay, so if I grab this, and now when I adjust you go on the hatcher. Good job. Hold this one. Hatcher over here.
It's funny because when I record it from up top, you can't see Hatcher's face, but I can see it through the hole. I can see it through the gap in the fence.
Back up. Over here. It didn't even leave the thing. It fell onto the ground. What? Let go.
Thank you. Respect. Can you put it in my bucket? Thank you.
Not even close. Not even close. Going again. Not even close.
Alright guys, about to do the corn maze. Let's see. Do you think we can get it through? Let's see. Yeah. Going through the corn maze, Hatchie.
Yeah.
Oh, Ranger says go right.
Come on, Becca.
He seems very adamant about this. But we know better, don't we, Daddy? He's taking us to the dead ends. So far we're hitting all the dead ends. But it's a nice little walk. Today's actually turned out to be pretty nice. It rained a few times, but not pouring. Get what?
Get your water.
Oh, right here, baby.
Look, no, let him get it.
He can't, it's too hard. You're welcome. We're attempting this corn maze. But anyways, it's been really lovely here. If you guys are near, are we in Bun or Done? We're in Bun. Like my bun, so lame, I know. Anyways, if you're near Bun, North Carolina, you check out Vollmer Farms. It was like $10 a person, under 2 is free. And there's so much to do here, it's really cool. So I highly recommend it. Their pumpkin selections are really, really tiny. But you don't really come here for the pumpkins anyway. Come here for the experience. I'm out of breath. Remember my last pregnancy vlog where I said I'm out of breath all the time? It's happening. Oh man, we hit a dead end. We hit a dead end. What does it say?
What is it?
How do you fix a jack-o'-lantern?
No,
What, babe?
This way.
How do you fix a
Look.
jack-o'-lantern?
A pumpkin patch.
Did you know that?
Look.
How do you know that? Is that a party pig?
Oh my God.
It's a party pig. Come on.
Here, come on.
Look at this. It's the real deal, people. 17 weeks pregnant. Doing good. Okay, guys, we made it out, but we came out the entrance because I had to pee. We did not find the exit. Okay, so I guess I forgot to end the vlog, but all you missed was more of that little ride thing that we were on because it stopped recording for some reason, and then we went and had lunch, and then we got home. So you didn't really miss much, but I forgot to end it. So anyways, thank you for joining us on our day. Please go check out Vollmer Farms if you're in Bun, North Carolina, or in the surrounding areas. It's a really cool place, especially if you have kids. And as always, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the bell so you get notified when I post more videos like this video. Click the thumbs up, you guys. And again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.